So the story is, customer was backing out of a parking spot, backed right into a tree, put this giant ugly dent in the rear hatch, put a tiny crack in the factory paint, and blew out the rear windshield. So I told the customer, hey look, this is a big ugly dent and it's gonna take me some time, but I'm confident that I can make this look like it never happened, make it go back to the way that it was before without replacing any parts, without repainting any parts. We're just gonna take what you have now, reuse it, reshape it, and make it disappear, make it look like it never happened. So these are some steps along the way. This part of the process is called glue pulling. So we're using a special form of hot glue, gluing these tabs to the outside and using a come along or a ratchet strap to move a lot of the metal and get a lot of the shape of the panel back. So now you can see the shape is back in the panel, but there's a lot of finishing work that needs done yet. So this is kind of in the middle shot that we're showing you here. But over the course of many hours of finishing, we're able to move into the next stage of our repair process. And this is the part of the repair process that we like to refer to as done. We're finished. This is the end product. Panning around, trying to show you any details, any blemishes. As you can see, a really good finished product here. Everything fits tight. We're able to reuse that factory trim piece. Nothing was actually broken there, so we even reused the plastic clip that came along with it. So if you think your vehicle is a good candidate for my repair process, or you have any questions, please reach out. You can contact me online via our website, which will be listed below. Please like and follow our page so that I can continue to put out more videos like this. Thanks.